Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox not letting you buy Robux. First, let's start with some basic checks. Always ensure your internet connection is strong and stable. A weak signal can prevent transactions. Next, quickly check the Roblox server status online to confirm there are no widespread issues affecting purchases. Finally, a simple restart of your Roblox application. Now, let's look at your payment method and account. It's crucial to double-check all your payment details, including card numbers and expiration dates, for any typos. Make sure you have sufficient funds or credit available in your chosen payment account. Also, if you have parental controls or spending limits set up, ensure they are temporarily disabled or adjusted to allow the purchase. Beyond travel, the Amex Platinum credit card enhances your daily life. You earn 2 membership rewards points for every 4 dirhams spent, with points that never expire. Enjoy 10% cashback on dining, saving up to 600 dirhams each year, and receive up to 900 dirhams in grocery credits annually. A dedicated 24/7 Platinum Services team is also available to assist with your needs. If you've tried these steps and are still encountering issues, it's time to consider contacting support. First, review Roblox's official support articles, as they often have specific solutions for common problems. If the issue persists, reach out to Roblox customer service directly, providing all your transaction details. Sometimes, simply waiting a few hours and trying again can also resolve temporary system delays.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.